We are a party that was born in the state of Manipur, and today a political party that has spread its wings across the Northeast. We are the only political party in the entire country which is a national party and made purely, I should use the word again, purely by the states of the Northeast. Our party is a party that maintains its organizational structure, but our ears are on the ground. We are not a political party that looks at a high command structure, but a political party that is right here to work with the people, listen to the voice of the people, listen to the concerns and voice of our leaders at the state level, and act immediately. And that is what makes the National People's Party a party that is truly made by the people of the Northeast and for the people of the Northeast. And therefore, we are working hard to ensure that the National People's Party grows from strength to strength. We feel that there's a strong vacuum which the National People's Party is in a good position to come in and take that vacuum. And we are preparing ourselves to ensure that as an organization, we stand together to take the party forward. Having said that, today, after this press conference, I will be proceeding to Kangpokpi, and also I will have a stop at Senapati, and along the way I will also stop in Tadobi on my way finally to Dimapur. And along the way I will be meeting CSOs from different communities in Kangpokpi, as well as other CSOs also from different communities in Senapati. And I'll be meeting the family members of our former president and our very dear leader, late Kaisiji, and his entire family members will be there. I'll be stopping over in his residence in Maram Tadobi area to once again meet the family members of our late leader. And as I said, from there I will proceed to Dimapur, where again tomorrow I will be having a detailed meeting with the National People's Party legislatures and the party leaders from the state of Nagaland. So this was a very brief report on the activities in the last 24 hours and the activities in the next 24 hours. And if you have any questions that you would like to ask, I'll be very happy to reply to them. Thank you very much.
Separate administration is one of the main demands of the Kukis people. So would you agree with these demands? Because of the reasons we cannot meet each other so far.
We have been very clear from day one, and our leaders at the state level have made our stand very clear that the territorial integrity of Manipur is something that the National People's Party believes in, and we are not here to compromise on that. Within the territorial integrity and the entire boundary of Manipur, whether it's geographical or constitutional, discussions can be held on how certain administrations could function. But looking at having a separate, completely separate administration and completely bifurcating the state of Manipur is not the stand of the National People's Party. So we're very clear on that. But yes, discussions must take place. We have always stressed that there is always a meeting point which can be reached. It depends on the will and depends on the dialogue and depends on the overall commitment that all the stakeholders have. And through this platform and through the press and media, I would like to appeal all the communities that it has been too long. And for many, many years now, communities and people have been of Manipur are suffering. And innocent people are suffering today. And therefore, it is the responsibility of all communities and all leaders to find a way forward. And therefore, whatever differences there may be, as the National People's Party, we would urge the different communities to come together, discuss on the table what are the issues, and try to take things forward. Because if we keep sticking to positions and not focusing on the issues, we will not be able to get anywhere. So therefore, it is important that we focus on what matters, on the issues that are there, discuss it, and we should not stick to positions, because in discussion and negotiation, if we stick to positions, we'll never be able to move forward.